Hey everyone, Jamie here with Originality.ai. Originality.ai is an AI content and plagiarism detector, boasting a 99% accuracy rating for its AI content detection. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode I'm just going to be running through a couple more FAQs. This is the second episode. If you haven't seen the first, you can find it in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so as I just mentioned, we're going to be running through a couple of FAQ questions. So these are the questions that we're going to be running through in today's episode on the screen now. So first question we're going to cover is, can I see previous scans? So the quick answer is yes. Once you head to the dashboard, you're going to go to My Content Scans, and that's going to show you all your previous scans. From here, we can quickly and easily just share that scan. That's going to give us a URL that we can copy and send to people. And the other option is to click on the results here. Okay, so once we've clicked on results, we're going to be taken to the scan page here. And you'll notice that it's basically exactly the same as if we had just conducted the scan, which is really useful. So from here, we can do all of the usual things. We can share the scan, we can assign a tag, we can start a new scan. And in the top right hand corner here, you'll see previous scans. If we click on that, that's just going to take us back to all of our scans page. Okay, so let's go back into results and we will discuss the next question. So the next question is understanding the scoring. So if we go back to our page here, we can see we have this 1% original and 99% AI. Now that doesn't mean that this article is 99% written by AI and 1% original. What this actually means is this is a confidence rating. So our AI detector is 99% confident that this entire article has been written by AI, and is only 1% confident that this entire article has been written by a human. So that's a really important thing to note. So anything above a 50% would indicate that our tool believes that it has most likely been written by AI. And anything below 50% or anything above 50% original is obviously going to indicate that it's most likely been written by a human. So that's an important thing to note about false positives. If it says that it's 51% original and it has been written by a human, that is not a false positive. That is a true positive, as although it's kind of more in the middle, the AI has ultimately determined that the content has been written by a human. Okay, I hope that explained the scores. If you have any more questions about that, just leave them in the comments below. And the final thing that we're going to be looking at today is the API access. On the left-hand side, you'll notice we have this link here. If we click on API access, that's going to bring us to a API access page, and we can quickly and easily just create a new key. And then we can enable and disable those keys just here. We can also, so once we've created those keys, we're obviously going to want to use them in our tool that we're going to be creating. So we can open up the API documentation here. And this here is going to give us all of the documentation for us to integrate the API into your custom tool. The API is really useful if you're conducting a large number of scans, or if you'd like to integrate it into a custom tool of your own. Okay, and that about rounds up our FAQ questions for today. A nice quick short video. If you do have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to check out the previous FAQ video, I will leave a link to that in the description below as well. And finally, if you do have any more questions and you'd like to know where to find them, if you just head to Originality.ai, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, there will be a couple of FAQs there. I've been Jamie with Originality.ai. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.